5 to some degree mystery things you didn't know your iPhone could do. In case you're an energetic, technically knowledgeable iPhone fan, the chances are really great that the iPhone is an open book for you. Through and through, the greater part of the gadget's highlights resemble second nature to you, and you're always helping loved ones find new highlights without anyone else's iPhones. For every other person, nonetheless, there is as yet an extensive variety of usefulness stuffed into Apple's iPhone that hasn't yet been revealed. Regardless of whether you've claimed each and every iPhone Apple has discharged straight up to the iPhone 6 or iPhone 6 Plus, there still might be highlights prepared into Apple's cell phones that you're uninformed of. Here are 5 to some degree mystery things your iPhone can do that power clients may be comfortable with, however the vast majority have no clue about. 1. Piece numbers and mute conversations. There's nothing more awful than being incorporated on a huge gathering content with not a single end to be seen. In reality, there is one thing that is more awful: spam messages. Gratefully, Apple's iPhones can deliver the two issues on account of as of late included programming highlights. To hinder a spammer that is sending you instant messages or iMessages, essentially open the discussions and tap points of interest in the upper right corner. At that point tap the I by the telephone number and select Piece this caller at the base of the screen. For discussions you'd get a kick out of the chance to hush without obstructing the contacts totally, there's a simple answer for that also. Tap subtle elements in the upper right corner of a talk and afterward tap the slider beside Don't Disturb so it slides to one side. 2. Head gesture controls. Regardless of whether you're the most wise power client out there, you won't not have realized that it's conceivable to control your iPhone with basic head signals. This is one of a few cool things escaped most clients, and you'll discover the way to empower head signal control in the accessibility area of the settings application. As we noted in a before post, here's the manner by which to empower the component. Open Settings and go to General Accessibility Switch Control. Tap switches to include another switch. Utilize a wellspring of camera, at that point left head movement and a system setting of Siri. As it were, I need the camera to watch me, and when I shake my make a beeline for the left, I need the framework to raise Siri. Presently tap back and tap switch control to on. You should see some blue rectangles examining everything on the screen. Shake your make a beeline for the left. Siri should come up. 3. Enable Siri to articulate names properly. Siri is entirely incredible with regards to helping you discover data and do things utilizing just your voice, yet once in a while Siri experiences difficulty articulating your name. Actually, now and then Siri can't articulate normal names appropriately. Next time Siri botches up your name, simply answer with "You didn't articulate my name accurately." Siri will then request that you articulate it and will utilize the rectified elocution pushing ahead. 4. Show you everywhere you've been. Did you realize that unless you incapacitate the element, your iPhone tracks wherever you go and spares the majority of that area information? It at that point utilizes that data to customize your involvement in a couple of key ways. This is a component that mixed up a considerable measure of hullabaloo among tech fans who are worried about security. Apple says this information is all around ensured however, and it's quite valuable in case you're alright with it. Need to see the spots you visit usually? Go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services, System Services, Frequent Locations. You'll see wherever you've been as of late in here, and you can likewise effortlessly incapacitate the component in the event that it makes you awkward. 5. Utilize the physical camera shutter button. This is a basic one, yet I can't reveal to you how cheerful I was when Apple added this element to the iPhone. I'm likewise still astonished at what number of individuals don't think about it. In the default camera application, you don't have to distort your hands and tap the on-screen shade catch to snap a photograph. Rather, you can simply click one of the physical volume catches in favor of the iPhone to take a photo. Utilizing the volume catch makes the experience more like utilizing a real camera, and you'll discover your hands move substantially less along these lines also, so photographs turn out better.